including within the same company the maximum number of processes possible. In the case of Himoinsa, vertical integration is a fully compensated type of integration, since with forward integration, it has its own distribution network, granting it extensive control over the market. And with backward integration, during the manufacture of the end product, it includes the maximum number of production processes. Accordingly, it designs and manufactures all the energies, groups, and components from alternators, control panels, and electronics to metallic manufacturing processes. Himoinsa incorporates highly advanced mechanics, such as the design of the various parts, various cutting machines, MRP production management systems, and integrated design systems in designing the various machinery options.
Diseñar las distintas variantes dentro de las maquinarias. Lleva una trayectoria seria en integrar.
Himoinsa has a serious trajectory when vertically integrating the product's whole value chain. This enables it to be much more flexible and competitive with respect to other manufacturers. A good example of vertical integration is the latest line which Himoinsa has incorporated into its manufacturing process. It is a new line to manufacture the energy group's piping, both for the exhaust systems and for the cooling systems. This means machinery lines to bend, cut and curve steel tubes. The company has state-of-the-art electricity tube curving machines.
Las compañías hoy lo que hacemos es externalizar producción hacia afuera. Aquí, sin embargo, lo que se está haciendo es
While nowadays companies outsource production, here, however, we are integrating processes. The two main objectives sought by Himoinsa with such vertical integration are flexibility, given that we can adapt much better to market and customer requirements, and control over delivery deadlines, reducing delivery deadlines as much as possible. Being a vertical manufacturer has obliged Himoinsa, aside from having various end product centres strategically distributed around the world, such as the assembly factories in Spain, the USA, China, India and Brazil, to have semi-prepared production centres in various continents. Accordingly, we have the alternator factory in Argentina, the design and manufacture electronics in Valencia, Spain, and the metal processing factories in Spain, China and India. Undoubtedly, our company's success has been, on the one hand, a pledge for internationalization and market diversification, not only focusing on what is close at hand, but having an open mind towards the outside. And, of course, it is the result of permanently including technology based on research and development processes. Throughout the world, Himoinsa has more than 300,000 square meters of factories, containing the most modern, flexible manufacturing systems, precisely in order to be flexible and provide a rapid response. This includes automatic sheet metal and semi-processed product storage centers. For example, at the factory in Spain, Himoinsa has more than 400 locations and is capable of storing more than 1,200 tons of sheet metal to supply to punching machines, folding machines, highly modern cutting machines, such as the case of laser cutting, especially to cut thicker materials, specific to the heavy range. Furthermore, it has conventional folding machines, robotized welding, and so on. Himoinsa has various manufacturing lines, specifically for surface finishing with expositic polyester powder, with high quality assurance and a preliminary chemical processing system to avoid corrosion, aside from the soundproofing cut via high water pressure. All Himoinsa's factories have high levels of automation. Both the semi-processed products factory, which houses a series of smart warehouses which distribute parts based on each machine's demand, and the final assembly factory, which also has an automatic warehouse where the material is introduced and supplied to each assembly point, based on the manufacturing orders. The Energy Group's manufacturing process is based on the programming of variables at production level of all the semi-processed products manufactured by the Energy Group and which are integrated within the company's vertical manufacturing. There is a series of highly controlled processes where initially the engine and alternator are assembled, meticulously controlling the quality of the screws. Later they are passed to the assembly chain, where a mechanical specialist and an electrical specialist finish assembling all the machine's subsystems. The Energy Group performs an exhaustive quality control, introducing its systems into the test bench, where a new quality control will be performed of all the subsystems integrated. In order to be able to make all this effort in terms of integration, manufacture and maintenance of products, Himoinsa requires an extensive engineering team. There are currently 80 engineers distributed throughout Himoinsa's engineering centres. To this, we must add the 50 highly qualified technicians who work daily for the engineering area, professionals with ample experience and a very high technical level. Something which has pleasantly surprised me is having engineering salespersons around the world detecting the needs of the different markets and the concerns of the different market niches, which are expressed in turn by practical engineering applications. The client is the main point for Himoinsa. Accordingly, commercial engineering, as well as providing a very important service to customers when choosing the best solutions for each application, brings close to the center of the company's development all the requirements of that market. Only in this way is the development of new products and new ranges for Energy Groups guaranteed. The Open Day Symposiums aim to attract professionals from other sectors, such as engineering, to Himoinsa's nucleus and inform them how the company works in order to create those synergies, taking advantage of a significant communication channel. Activities such as today's, of visiting a leading company in the industrial area in Spain, serves a new generations to see that Spain is a country with possibilities and that Himoinsa is a benchmark company. During the visit, we were able to learn about new technologies, new machinery and of course new processes. What differentiates Himoinsa from other energy and lighting pylon manufacturing groups is its capacity to combine design, quality and good service. If the Himoinsa brand is characterized by something, it's precisely for being competitive in all aspects, for not renouncing its competitiveness in any sector of the business.